Putting our 3D glasses on until we are seated inside the theater and told to do so by our lab technician.
What's up, YouTube? So today I am at Disney's Hollywood Studios, my favorite amusement park, and I'm gonna be trying something today here. It's not just gonna be a normal like park day vlog. I actually have made something that I want to test out. So one of the biggest problems when I come here is the 3D rides like Muppet Vision 3D, which is one of my favorite attractions. It's hard to record it because the image looks blurry when it gets on YouTube. But I have something today that may have fixed that problem, and it's this right here. And I don't know how well you can see that in the camera, but it's a little lens that you can put on my DJI Pocket. And what I did is I took a hold on a second. We're gonna interrupt this to show you guys this Jurassic Park. Is it a Jeep? What is this thing? No, it's a Ford Escape. Look at that. Man, sorry, this is just went off the rail, but you know, kind of reminds me of my pop's Jurassic Park Jeep. Only his is like movie accurate. This is just a super fan of Jurassic Park, but still really cool. Okay, so where was I? Oh yeah, so this lens. So this goes on my DJI Pocket, and what I did is I bought a pair of 3D glasses on Amazon, cut the 3D glass out, and popped it in this little lens frame here. And all I gotta do is put this on the camera like that, and boom, it should get rid of the 3D line effect. It'll just look like a regular. Let me take this off. I'm not in 3D, so I can take it off. But it should just look like a regular feature and shouldn't be blurry. So we're gonna test this out on Muppet Vision 3D first, and then the new Star Tours also just debuted, so I want to go check that out as well. So we're going to be testing out the 3D attractions here at Hollywood Studios. All right, and we are in Hollywood Studios. Just walking in right here. See the Crossroads Mickey up there? I don't know if you could actually see it or not. Yeah, so I think we're going to go ride. I know I said Muppet Vision first, but I think we're going to start with Star Tours. So let's head that way. I'm quite parched though, so I'm gonna see how busy this Starbucks is and see if I can get some Starbucks and try to chug it all before I get over there. I bet y'all be pretty freaking close because I'm pretty freaking thirsty. But we'll see how bad Starbucks is first before I make a commitment like that, because it usually is pretty bad. Okay, Starbucks. Okay, so the line in there was short. Like, there wasn't very many people in line, but it took quite a while for them to make my drink. But I got it. It's spicy strawberry lemonade. It is freaking good. All right, let's go to Star Tours. All right, here we go, Star Tours. 15-minute wait. Curious if it's actually a 15-minute wait or if it's quicker. We're gonna go find out. And by the way, the Adventure Continues or whatever includes scenes from Ahsoka, Mandalorian, and Andor. Hoping I get Mando or Ahsoka, but we'll go find out. Hello. Yeah, I have not rode this in a while. I'm pretty excited to ride it. The AT-AT spitting water.
Please meet your party at Star Tours Thank you.
Little C-3PO up there. R2-D2 there. Star Speeder 1000. Got all the departures up here. Yeah, this is classic Hollywood Studios attraction right here.
All arriving passengers requiring currency conversion are invited to visit the Unilist Intergalactic Exchange on level 1.
Done this before, haven't you? People seem to know what you're doing. Almost like you've been doing it all day long. I'm impressed.
You know, there's also a slight chance I get one of the old adventures as well, and not one of the new ones. But I'm hoping I get a new one. I feel like they're still doing this. Oh look, here's the 3D glasses, which I don't need for my camera, right? Hopefully. 3D lens is on the camera.
To fasten your restraint, use the yellow
3D glasses are on my face. I don't know if you can hear me or not, it's super loud in here, but we're ready to go.
Initiate takeoff sequence.
What? Takeoff sequence initiated.
R2-D2, what's going on here? We are not ready for takeoff. The captain isn't on board yet. You know I can't fly this thing. No, neither can you. We need a proper pilot. Where are we going? This is madness! On the transmission. Now what?
Star Tours. I've been looking for you.
Ahsoka Tano. Greetings.
3PO. R2. You're traveling with a friend of mine that has vital information for the rebellion.
Just a moment, R2. Let us consider this. R2, I don't like the look of this. Yes, I do believe these are the local. Virgin are the legendary space whales. Quite extraordinary.
Alright, so good news and bad news. Good news being I got Ahsoka's little transmission stuff and her mission, and that was pretty fun. That was a nice little addition to that ride, I gotta admit. The bad news, my little 3D lens didn't freaking work. Now, here's what I'm thinking, so this is why I'm going to Muppet Vision 3D to try it again. The glasses I got off Amazon that I cut up to put into this lens, they are like replica Muppet Vision 3D glasses, and those ones are more mirrored. Like you could see when I had them on, they actually have a mirror on them. So I'm wondering if they're just a different style of 3D. I don't know if that's a thing. Muppet Vision's right next door, so let's go try Muppet Vision. Oh darn, I gotta ride Muppet Vision, right? The best attraction at Hollywood Studios. I'm hoping that it works for Muppet Vision, because truthfully, I'll just be happy if it works for Muppet Vision, because I would like to document Muppet Vision like non-3D like this. So hope for the best, and here we go. Muppet Vision 3D. Good old Muppet Vision 3D. Oh, there's like no one in here. Here's the 3D glasses. And we got like 12 minutes till the doors open. So we'll get to enjoy this great pre-show. Classic Muppet pre-show here.
That we are not putting our 3D glasses on until we are seated inside the theater and told to do so by our lab technician.
Alright, I have the 3D lens already on. Just kind of getting a recording of the theater here before it starts. I guess I'll sit down now.
Hey, look! Look at the guy in the goofy mask! That's not a mask. Ooh. Sorry, lady!
For the comfort and safety of everyone around you, please note flash photography, video, lighting, or cell phone usage during the show. Now put on your special 3D glasses as the currently gang proudly present Muppet Vision 3D.
Sorry, boss. Hi-ho, Kermit Frog here, and welcome to Muppet Vision 3D. And our demonstration includes a little song from Miss Piggy. Little? Did I say little? I meant to say it's a huge, show-stopping, major song from Miss Piggy. That's more like it. Good. And we've also got a big musical finale from Sam Eagle. Sam, what's it about?
It's called A Salute to All Nations, but mostly America.
Great. So it's going to be a swell demonstration, and at no time will we be stooping to any cheap 3D tricks.
Did you say cheap 3D tricks? And here's something I wanted to spring on you.
So instead, I'd like to introduce you to the guys who invented Muppet Vision, and they can show you some of their... right now, I'd like to turn you over to Dr. Bunsen Honeydew and his assistant, Beaker.
Well, thank you, Mr. Kermit. Today, let's look at the advancements we've been working on for Muppet Vision. We at Muppet Labs have been able to grab hold of the future.
All these other people think I'm talking to them, but I'm really just talking to you.
Well, I think that would be just about enough of Waldo, Beaker.
I'm sorry, but Muppet Labs seems to have been temporarily sucked up. But, now what is that?
Hey, come in. See, it's my new remote control banana green pie.
Yeah.
Hey, come in. Watch this.
What? Ozzy, that's terrible.
You're right. Needs more sugar.
Guess I won't be needing this.
What's that?
It was for the big water skiing finale.
Anybody, what are you doing?
Hey, Sweetum, that's a great effect.
Hey, Ozzy, Kermit! What is it?
Peabody ran away.
Oh, no.
Hey, what's all the commotion about? Bunny ran away. Well, you know what that makes him? Smarter than us. Anybody seen a bunny? I don't see a bunny. Where? Where? Oh, nothing up there but a bunny. A bunny?
Sam? Are you about ready?
Yes, it's a glorious 3-hour finale.
You got a minute and a half. Okay, everybody, get ready. Ladies and gentlemen, the Muppets proudly present the final demonstration of Muppet Vision 3D.
Where am I?
What are you doing? Get back to your place.
Pardon me? What's this?
Take it easy. Look, I'm sorry. Look, wait. Don't shoot. Stop, everybody. Stop. No, not you. Look out. Everyone okay in here?
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to apologize for our slight technical difficulties, but I do wish to assure you that no one was hurt, and this theater suffered only minor damage. So thank you very much for coming to see this demonstration of Muppet Vision technology, and enjoy the rest of your stay, and come see us again sometime.
All right, well that worked. I watched it as I was filming it, kind of checked on it. That worked. So that's good to know. It must just be because I got the lens that was a mimic of Muppet Vision and not the lens that mimicked Star Tours. Also, are they ever going to open the store up? Probably not. I wish they would. Cool. So the last test I'm going to try, if the wait is not super long, is try Toy Story Mania. We'll have to just go over there and see how long the wait is. And I don't know how I'm going to film that while I shoot, unless I just don't try. But I can't remember if those are mirrored lenses or not either. I guess we'll go find out. Alright, making my way over to Toy Story Mania. Just casually walked through Galaxy's Edge. I may go back over there because I love that land. And I didn't really get to enjoy it because I was trying to hurry up and get over here. Shows a 35-minute wait right now. It's just not very busy at all. Alright, here we go. 35-minute wait. Let's see if it's actually a 35-minute wait. Okay, feeling pretty good about this one because these are the same glasses as Muppet Vision. So the 3D trick should work. Alright, so this is impossible to do with one hand. So we're going to try it on the test screen, and then I'm going to sit this next to me. But I don't know if it's going to stay because this ride does get a little rough. I don't know, my camera may fall over and roll all over the place and affect my score. I'm not going for a high score today, folks. We're just trying to test the 3D, all right? Don't judge my score. I'm undefeated on this game except for Jaren, so I'll get him someday.
Hey, partners! Welcome to the practice game.
Oh, I can already pay it. I think it works. It looks like it's working to me. Nice. And then here you pull it. See that? All right, here we go. Let me set this down. I don't know what you guys saw. I'm out of breath. I gave it a pretty good effort. I was getting kind of tired, so I don't know how good this score is. But we'll take a look.
Oh, way
I mean, 162. I'll take it. You guys can see there. Right there, 162. Eh, it's not too bad, I guess. I mean, I got best in vehicle, so I'll take it. It's good to know the 3D trick works on this ride as well. So it just doesn't work on Star Tours. I have to get that kind of mirrored 3D glasses to get it to work on there. But these, which are the same exact ones as Muppet Vision, perfect. Well, you can even tell. Look at the lens. One side is clear, one side isn't. Let me pop this lens off. Look. Now they're normal with the lens off. That's weird. All right. So, in general, my little trick here with the 3D worked on 2 of the 3 attractions. Toy Story Mania, Muppet Vision 3D. They use the same style 3D glasses. But yeah, I would say pretty successful experiment. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and anybody that's out there making content like this and you have a pocket, you can make one of these. You can literally just get a cheap lens that fits on your camera, pop that lens off, and cut up some 3D glasses, stick that into it, fit it to it, and you can record on these rides like that. Kind of cool little hack. All right, I'm gonna go get something to eat. Like, subscribe, all that bull crap. Till next time.